Hey guys, I am Subha and I am back with an amazing KDP software that is going to be released on 18th of August 2023. It helps to create counting practice worksheets and workbooks for Amazon KDP with great ease. Actually, you can do these complex workbooks and worksheets in a few clicks. You see here, this is really amazing. So let me show you what pages I have created. This is count the objects and write the number. Here kid can count the items or objects and then he or she can write the number here. This is amazing to teach them basic math skill and basic counting skills. The second page is count the different types of objects. Here kids can identify and write down the numbers of various objects presented here. This software makes it really easy. You can easily change these objects in just one click. Let me show you. Regenerate data and it is totally changed. You can create multiple pages with great ease. Count and circle the correct numbers. Here kids can count these items and circle the right or correct number here. You can easily regenerate as well. So really powerful software, and I am making this video to showcase the main features of the software. So this is write the missing number. You can also regenerate the data if you don't like the previous one. Next is fill in the missing number and color the page. This is really amazing thing. Please note this is not available to everyone that is buying the front-end version, because this software comes with front-end version and 3 upgrades. Most of the features are available in the front end and the first upgrade, and the other features are available in the second and third upgrade. For example, this feature is available in the second upgrade, not front end. I am creating the overall review of the software in this video. So let me show you how you can use this to create counting worksheets and workbook. This is counting worksheets generator. I have currently access to all the upgrades. This is front end, you need to buy this, and these are the optional upgrades: counting worksheet generator OT1, OT2 and OT3. You can buy this one or this one. These are, I think, the all you need, and if you want to go ahead, you can buy this one, counting worksheet generator OT2 and this OT3. I will make a separate video mentioning the features of these upgrades. So today I am giving you an overview of the software, so you can access this one. So default collection, it will take you to this page. Here I can delete everything by using the delete all pages option. This is a feature available in OT1. First of all, you need to go here. Okay, these are the count and write templates. These is counting types. This is count and color again, number ordering, missing numbers, and skip counting here, and 10 frames. So a lot of different templates and worksheet options are available in counting worksheet generator. So I am going to quickly create a worksheet for you. It only takes a few clicks. You can set the margins here, going here setting, and you can set the margin here and click on show page margins and click update, and it will update the margins here. Then simply you need to go to counting templates here and select one of the templates. For example, we want to create very simple, very basic count and write worksheet. Just click on this one and it has quickly added this to our page. Here we can customize it. Just click on this and change the grid height here. Click update and it will adjust the height of the page. Here let me zoom in and show you. You can add a title for this page. There are predefined titles here, or pre-written here. Go here and add relevant count the objects and write the number, and it will quickly add the title towards the top. You can change the size here. You can change the color. This is upgrade 1. You cannot change in the front end version. So let's move it down a bit and reduce the size here. If you are not happy with the objects, you can click here and click on the regenerate data, and it will quickly regenerate the data. You can also change the icon sizes here, like you can reduce or increase the icon size here this way. You can also change the look and feel of this answer line just below. You can add a box here. You can add a dashed one. If you want to create a new page, you can go here and just click on the clone page, and it will clone the whole page and add a different problem on the next worksheet. So you can easily clone these pages and to create multiple worksheets. Bulk clone is available in the first upgrade. So as a front end user, you can click on the clone page as many times as many pages you want to create. Add a new page and create a different type of worksheet here. So this is blank. You can add a blank page here. So this time I want to add this one. This is skip counting. See more and click on one of this. It has quickly added the skip counting on the the canvas, you can reduce the number of rows here and click update, and then just move it down here, and toward the top you can write just increase 7 and move it up. Here you can manually add the text. You can also look for pre-written related questions. It has no pre-written questions. You can add your own. Click on the text, move it here, reduce the size to 28, write the missing number. Okay, this is how simply you can create worksheets. If you want to create similar page, you can clone it and it will be added here. You can also regenerate the data if you are not happy with these numbers. Let's talk about the features. So you can download it as PNG, JPG, PDF and PowerPoint. This feature is in the upgrade 1. As a front end, you can use these features. You can also use the global download option. It will download everything you have created here as a whole book or workbook. You can download as PNGs, JPGs, PDF and PowerPoint files that you can add it later on. If you have the first upgrade, you will have unlimited downloads. As a first upgrade, you can also unlimited color scheme. Here you can change the color. If you want to create the worksheets sell as printables, this would be very useful. So you can also use the bulk clone feature here. This is bulk clone, and you can quickly create 10 copies of this page by using the bulk clone feature. You can see it has cloned the pages very quickly, and now you have your cloned pages here. This is the bulk clone feature. And other features include the counting elements. There are 100 counting elements and graphics included in one of the upgrades. I will make a separate video on that. 50 is added here and 50 will be added during the first 90 days. So if you want to add a new page, here you can add any element here. If you want to add to the page to make it look unique, you can also create a new page here, and you can go to the select icons grid here and change the icons. If you want to click apply, and it will change the whole icons here. Then go again here, change the icon again. I want to add an apple here, so it will add. You can delete other pages, and if you want to, you can duplicate this page as many times as many pages you want to add. Like I want to create 4 more pages, so I will add 4 here and clone pages. Now I have 5 pages in total. So these are the various features. Let me show you another one that is very big one. So this is, we are on the templates here. Just scroll down, and this is the upgrade 2 of the counting worksheet generator, and it comes with 50 pre-designed elements. At the moment 33 are added and others are being added. Missing numbers in shapes. You click here and add one of this one. You can see this is really amazing. You can regenerate the data and it will change the numbers. This is very good to create printables to sell on Etsy, to Teachers Pay Teacher, and create workbooks for Amazon KDP. You can add pre-written question here, fill in the missing numbers, or fill in the missing number and color the page. In this way, you can add title here. You can change the color if you want to. You can change the font, like here you can go. There are a lot of fonts available here. You can search pop-in and add pop-in bold here. Okay, I want to reduce the size so that it fits on the one line. So you can quickly duplicate this page, or you can add another image of similar. Like I really like this train thing. This is really cool. So you quickly can change the data here. Software is really amazing. It comes with a lot of features, and it comes with one front end and the 3 optional upgrades. I think you need front end and the first upgrade that gives you unlimited downloads. You can download as PowerPoint, like here. You can download as PowerPoint as part of the first upgrade. You can change colors in the first upgrade. You can also have access to this missing coming soon elements. Let me add another page here. So this is number line. This is really amazing. This is being added into the first upgrade. So you can number line, you can click on here and it will quickly create the number line problem. Here you can increase the number of rows to 7 and click update, and it will quickly add the additional rows just below. Adjust this on page. I'm going to reduce the number of rows to 5, like this here, and here I am going to look for the question. No available question here. This is number line. You can write anything, write the missing number on the line. Okay, so these are different features. There are a lot of features you can change, like you can go here and change the style of this. You can add the index type here, change the look and feel of the index type. You can change the icon scale here, reduce the size or increase the size of the icons. You can upload your own images here as part of the first upgrade. Here you can click and upload your own icons if you have any. Main features are you can create worksheets in a matter of minutes. Workbooks can be created in a few clicks, and you can download them. Download local pages as PNG, JPG, PDF and PowerPoint. This is first upgrade. Let me download this as PowerPoint. Enable editing. This is blank page. Delete this one, and these are the worksheets here. Page down, page down. As PowerPoint, you can reduce the size. You can change the text if you want to. You can change the alignment. This is really helpful, and this comes with the first upgrade. Let's go back to our counting worksheet generator. So create another page. Zoom out a bit. Add one of this. Count by blocks. Add this one, and let's see. So it can count the blocks. Here we can add another column here, update, and now we have two columns. We can reduce the size here. Look for the pre-written question, no pre-written questions. Just you can add a very simple title here, like count the number of blocks in 24, count blocks. Okay, now reduce the font size to something like 24. You can duplicate this one, and the blocks would be changed automatically on the second page. You can also click on this one and click on the regenerate, and it will change the number of blocks. So this is really powerful tool, and I believe you can create a lot of things and do a lot of things. You can create printables, you can create worksheets, you can create workbooks for Amazon KDP. So these are the salient features of the software. I will make a separate video mentioning the various features of the different upgrades. There is front end and there are 3 optional upgrades, and I will cover this in the coming video. This software is going to be launched on 18th of August, so stay tuned and look for my launch video where I will make a detailed review of different versions of this software. So this is all from me today. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.